Hello everyone. We are going to start now for the web development, and we're going to be doing the arrow of code, which is the first one on this course. First, we're going to watch this video.
Hi. In this video, we'll be going through an introduction to one of the most important parts of web development, and that is the language.
Raise your hand if you heard that.
Yeah, we can hear it.
Language HTML.
Okay.
So here's a question. Have you ever wondered how exactly web pages are made? You probably view several websites a day on the internet, but have you ever wondered what goes into making these web pages behind the scenes? Well, introducing HTML. HTML is the language for building web pages. So why learn HTML? Well, HTML lets us build our own web pages. When we build our own web pages, we can easily share our ideas and creations with the entire world. Web pages have become an incredibly valuable resource in our society for spreading information, spreading ideas, for artists to share their creations, for groups to get together and organize. Web pages are the new way information is shared between people. Well, let's start with breaking down this HTML. What exactly is HTML? Well, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. How exactly does HTML mark up the text of a web page? Well, introducing HTML tags. HTML tags mark up the text of a document in order to tell the browser how that text should be displayed. So HTML is made up of several tags that can decorate or mark up the standard text of a document in order to tell the browser how that text should be displayed. So at the core of it, HTML is really just normal text plus these markup tags. So what do HTML tags look like? Well, they're enclosed in angle brackets. You can see there, that's an example of an HTML tag. They are not actually displayed on the resulting web page. They're only found in the HTML document, not on the final web page. And they inform the browser about how certain text should be displayed. So let's look at our first HTML tag, and that is the H1 tag. So as you can see, tags start and end with angle brackets. We have the opening angle bracket and the closing angle bracket. And the name of the tag goes in between these angle brackets. So this is an H1 tag. The name of the tag is H1. Now when we use these tags, we need both an opening tag and a closing tag. And the opening tag looks exactly like the closing tag, except that the closing tag has a backslash right before the tag name. Now in between the opening and closing tag, we have the actual text or the content on the web page that is affected by the tag. So here, the hello will be affected by the H1 tag. It's decorated with H1. Let's see what this looks like in the editor. You can see the code here, and let's see what happens if we take off the H1 tag and we just say hello. So here we see that the text looks a little bit different. If we add around the hello an H1 tag, we're actually marking it up or decorating it to tell the browser, hey, I want it to be displayed big and bold. So that's our first tag, the H1 tag, and this is our first HTML page. Now it's your turn.
Okay, now we are going to look at this example to see how it works. So as you see, it goes H1 hello world, so it can be displayed big and bold, as the video showed. So then it's like that. But if we remove the H1 tag, then it would just be displayed very small, as it was before, as it was in the video, as you can see here. But we want this to be eye-catching, and that's why there's a H1 tags. That way people can actually look at it and it would be noticeable instead of it just being very small and no one's going to notice it. Okay. That way it can just be displayed and everyone will notice it. So it could work for a title. And here you see it's bold and the size has been increased. And now we're going to try and make it say hello. And now we're going to be using the blocks or the code. I'm going using the code. And here, so I would switch to the code view, then put the H1 tag.
All right, Joshua, before you go, can you ask, don't do that. Okay, can I ask someone to help Joshua with this one, please? Can I ask someone to volunteer? Just raise your hand. I've got two for me, right?
Mr. Deji, what do you mean help Joshua?
Yeah, Joshua, what do you want to do?
I want to make it say hello. That way it'll be projected big and bold on the screen.
Joshua wanted to say hello, and it should be bold and big. What do we do?
You just put in the H1 tags and then just write hello.
Okay, inside the H1 tag, say hello. Does it? Oh, okay.
Hello. I don't know what to do. Please, can someone help me?
Okay. Let's start to help David. Do you want to share your screen quickly? And Joshua, do you want to stop sharing?
Okay.
David, do you want to share your screen? David? Okay.
Yes, I'm
So-
sharing.
Okay, all right, cool. Georgie, you got your answer, and Jemima, any question? And Tofumi as well. Okay, Jemima, I can't hear you clearly. It's a bit dragging.
How do we enter the code view?
Okay.
How do we enter the code view?
Okay. All right. Joshua, do you want to go through this again quick, slowly, right? How you're able to go to that screen? Okay. Do you want to share your screen, please?
Okay. So after you've signed in and
The
you've
screen is
connected,
not showing yet.
so stop sharing and share again.
Yes, please.
Hello, I still need help.
Mr. Deji,
Yes, can say.
and for this one that Joshua just passed, the one that say I should show write hello. When I put
Joshua.
the HTML tag, it wasn't big and bold. I don't know
Okay,
why.
1 minute. We'll come back to you. We'll come back to you. Come say 1 minute. So Joshua, do you want to go through it again from here? So can everyone please pay attention? So if you're on this particular page, let's say, okay, from where? From here. We click on.
Well, this is the screen you end up with after you've logged in and after you've created your account and joined the web development. So you press the web development one and press it again. Then after that, you go into the hour of code one. So you press that, it unrolls, and you press this. And then you're able to choose which one we're doing, and we're doing say hello. And if it doesn't show up big and bold, you might want to check how you put the H1 tags. If the hello is inside it, and make sure that's H1, then H /H1.
Okay, and one question, Joshua. You got two views, right? One is the block views and one is the code views. How do you switch between those views?
It just here switch to code view and switch to block view.
Okay.
I do like the code view better, as it's not like I have to go like this. Then after that, just type it like that when I could just go.
So if you are new, I think the block view might be better for you, right? Because then you don't make some mistake. So yeah, the code view is good, is what the developer will use if you're advanced, but if you are starting afresh, so use the block view actually. Okay, so the block views allows you to just drag and drop. Yeah, so that's what you need to do. I think that should answer your question. Is it David or who asked that question? I have to switch. Or is it Jojo? Okay. Kamsi, do you want to share your screen quickly to see what issues that you're having?
It says I cannot start screen while another participant is sharing.
Okay. Joshua, do you want to stop sharing, please?
Okay.
Okay, can you start now?
Hello.
Okay, this is what I put. The HTML tag and this, but it is still written as this. I don't know why.
Okay, can you click on run?
I think kind of the problem is if you like press the clear and then press run, maybe it works, and if that doesn't, you might have to refresh your screen, but it should work.
Kamsi, can you try that? Click on clear and then click on run, because it seems like you said it seems okay. Yeah.
Where's clear?
After the check code, on the where you have the run code, check code, and clear. Okay, then run your code now. Okay, can you put something inside the hello? Let's say hello world.
This is what it says. Let me try the block view. Let me try the block view.
Okay, can you run it that one? Let's see.
That is what I'm trying to do, but it's not running.
Okay, refresh your screen, please.
What you need to do is probably move the yellow block.
Move everything away. Move that one as well. Drag it in, yeah. Then drag the first one in, the H1. And then do the hello one. And run it. Yeah, cool.
I think I know my mistake. I'm not
What
sure.
was it?
And maybe I put something here, like I put something.
No, I think that should even if you put anything there, that should be fine. So anything that you put in there will just be displayed as it is.
I don't know what to do. Please, can someone
thank you.
help me? I'm confused.
1 minute. 1 minute, David. 1 minute, David. I'll come back to you now. Okay. All right. Kamsi. Okay. I think that's you right now.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. All right. Cool. David, do you want to share your screen, please?
Okay.
So has anyone got any question? Ella, you got your hands up, and Ozazeme, you got your hands up quickly. Ella? Ella?
Hello, I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
I just trying to get to talk. Hello, my name is Pamela. Hello, my name is Ella, but it doesn't work.
Okay. All right. Are you able to share your screen? Can you share your screen after David? Is that okay? Okay. After David, Ella, you can share your screen. Okay. David, okay.
Can you see my screen?
We can see your. Okay. Yes. Now we can see. Okay. Click on Let's Go. Okay. You just need to drag. Yeah. What you need is an H1 tag. Okay. Joshua, do you want to assist? Or can someone else assist? Okay, who wants to help David here?
Okay, what is David trying to do? Yeah.
David is trying to do the same exercise, like say hello, like you've done, Kamsi.
Oh, okay. I think he should try doing it from the block, from the block.
Let's start from the block, please. So click on formatting, right? Is that?
Yeah,
Yes.
click on formatting.
Drag
Then
H1, drag the H1 out.
drag the first one you see on formatting. The
Go
green
down
first one.
or you can just enter hello there. It's just if you scroll down, there will be a text box that you could put in there. I think you should go down on the formatting and get the text box and add it in between the H1 and the other H1. The text there. You should drag it up. That way it'll actually work and the text will be displayed.
I think the problem that you have now is difficult to use a pad, actually. You need a keyboard. So next time, please get a keyboard, actually. So even if you are using like a tablet, it's okay to connect a keyboard to it. Sometimes it will be difficult for you to use your hand to type, isn't it? Yeah, it's possible to connect a keyboard to tablets.
Wow, the more you know. You learn something new each day.
Yeah, it's possible. So you just need to, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to stop making jokes now. Wait, does that count as a joke?
Okay, all right. So you need to click in between the two is it greater than and less than, and type something. That's what you need to do. Yeah, then start typing. Just type anything, right? So the problem I have right now, press enter because I'm not seeing what you are typing. Press on enter now. Okay, what you are typing is not displaying on that. So can you switch to code view? Okay, switch to code view. Let's see if that works. The problem is not this, is the app device that you are using. Click on code view. Don't type yet. Click on code view. Okay. Code view. You see switch to code view at the top. Yes. Okay. All right. Just type anything there. Start typing now. Okay. Let's see if that you're able to type. Okay, cool. That's brilliant. Okay. Then run your code. Okay. So that's brilliant. But what you now need to do now, before the hello, put greater than, right, or less than, put the H1 tag at the beginning. You need to put like the less than and greater than, yeah. Less than first. Less than sign. Yeah, that one. Then slash. You need to put slash first. The backslash, not the other one. The other one, yeah. Then H1. So then greater than to close it. So, but before the hello, yes, you need to do the same thing, but without the slash. Oh, you've changed the switch. Okay, yeah. So, okay, put less than, greater than. Less, yeah, okay, H1. No, without the slash. You don't need the slash. Yeah, you need to go back. I'm not sure that you not lose it. So let's go again. Okay, click on OK. Okay. You need to, yeah, that H1, you need to put H1 after the less than. H1, then close brackets. That's where it's saying you got syntax error. Yeah, H1 there. Then and 1, then greater than. Okay. Then remove, yeah, so remove those ones. Remove that one now. Yeah, remove that, yeah, those ones. Yeah, that's it. Then run it. Yeah, exactly. Are you okay now? So that's what you need to do. So yeah. So but instead of saying hello, you need to say hello. You need to put say hello inside there. Okay.
Okay.
All right, cool. Well done, David. All right, Ella. You want to come on, Ella? Can you stop sharing,
Let me
David?
stop sharing my screen.
Yes, please. Yeah. Ella, do you want to share your screen? Okay, all right, cool. So what you need to do is click on formatting, okay? Yes, and just drag one of those in. On H1, drag the H1 inside. Yes, exactly. Then start typing hello. Yeah, the problem is this, yeah, part that you're using. I think you got the same problem with David, okay? So I can say switch to code view, okay? That might make you to get this thing. Switch into code view. Okay, yeah. So you can see where your hello is. Type hello at the online one in between the H1 and that, okay? Yes, type it, type some, yeah. hello world, okay? Space. Okay, then click on run. Click on run. Yeah, there you go. Can you see the difference between the hello world and the hello, right? Ella, you are muted. Okay. Ella.
Should I save and submit? Submit and continue.
Yes, submit and continue. Yeah. Okay, who's sharing the screen actually? Okay, all right, cool. All right, if you want to unshare, okay, unshare your screen. Ozazeme, okay, you are raising your hand. Kelumi, you are raising your hand. Any question?
I'm finding it difficult to like put on the hello.
Okay,
That
do you want to share your screen, please?
Should I save and continue?
Oh no, I think Ozazeme is having issues, so let's.
Hello.
Okay. One thing I can say also next week, please. Yeah, phone is not the best thing for coding. Okay, phone is not the best thing for coding. So please get a laptop, get a tab. Yeah, with a keyboard. Yeah, the problem that you're going to have is typing, right? So please, yeah, get a laptop, a computer. Yeah, where you can type properly. Okay.
Or you could just get a mouse and attach it somehow.
Yeah.
That way it would be easier to drag things out. Typing isn't really the problem.
Okay.
And scrolling down. I think I'm done now.
Okay, yeah. We're gonna finish in 5 minutes. So like I said, it's 5 to 7. So okay. So Osazeme, do you want to share your screen quickly? If that's fine.
I can't currently share it at the moment. It's
okay.
When I share it's frozen.
Oh, because you're using your phone, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So I think that's it.
I'll try to get something different.
Okay, Joju, you still got your answer up. Any question? Okay, any question from anyone? Any question from anyone? So, okay, so we're going to stop here. This is just like a quick introduction. So, and one thing I want you to do is like go into that lesson, try to write hello word or hello, and that's it. So we're going to start from here next week. Okay, so hopefully everyone is able to get the gist about what we are trying to do. By the end of this particular class, you should be able to create a website by yourself and also do JavaScript by yourself. So 5 to 7 every week. That's what we are going to be doing, okay? And of course, when time comes, we're going to be able to create games by ourselves using JavaScript and HTML. So that is the focus for this particular class. So hope I will see you guys next week. And yeah, have a good weekend.
Say bye.
Okay,
Bye, Victoria and Jerry.
Excuse me.
Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, you can wait. You can wait for a few minutes. Okay. But if not, I'll see you guys next week. If you have any questions, you can wait behind. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye, Jerry and Victoria.
Bye, everyone. Unless you have any questions,
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
See you next week.
Bye, everybody. See you next week, Saturday.
See you next week. Saturday.
Bye.
Uncle Deji.
Hasta la vista, señora.
Eh? Gracias.
Okay.
Yeah,
All
no.
right. So, dear Kualala, you've got your answer. What is?
Adios.
I was going to say I have problem making the hello and putting the hello and putting the and making it bigger and putting it beside it.
Okay. Do you want to share your screen quickly? David, you got your answer as well. No, the other David. Okay.
Do you want to share your screen? Yeah. So when I put the text "Hello World," and then I put "Hi." I'm not sure if she put it below it because when I put it, it goes above it. So I'm trying to put it beside it.
Okay. All right. So this is very, very interesting because you've already got comments inside. What you have now is comments. So drag everything out completely. So
Okay.
the star and the end of star is comments. So it's not making, you won't, anything that you put in comments will not show on your code. That is the issue that you're having. It's so unfortunate that other people has gone. So this is another thing that you need to be aware of. So put them back and put another one in because what you have is now commented. Actually, they won't show. Put them away. Okay. Put them back into, yeah, drag it back or delete it. Yeah. Okay. Then put a new one. No. H1 first.
Hey.
Then yeah, you can put the text inside.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I think so don't worry about this. I think that's what is making you to be confused. Okay. Drag this one back. Okay.
Drag which one? Hello.
Yeah, okay. If you can put it inside, that's fine. I don't want you to get confused. If you can put it inside like that. No, don't worry. Don't do that. Okay. Drag it out.
Okay.
Okay. So now type inside.
Type what?
Just go into the middle of the H1. Yeah, and continue typing. Yes, type something inside. Yes. And run it. I think that should work for you.
It does.
Okay. Switch to the code. Okay. Yeah. Switch to code view.
Huh?
Code
Pardon?
view. Switch to code view.
Code view.
At the top. Yeah, that one. Yeah. So I think that, yeah, that is fine. Yeah. You can continue. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right. Cool.
Stop sharing.
Okay, David.
Thank you for helping.
Yeah. You got your answer?
Hello.
Hello.
I have like 2 questions.
Okay. What are your questions, David?
My first question is this like homework? Are we
Yes.
going to do this
Yes.
as homework?
Yes, that's right. So you can do this as homework. When we come back next week, we'll continue from there. Yeah.
And my second question is that have we done the JavaScript coding, or is it like we're just starting the web design?
We are just starting both of them, actually. Right.
Okay.
So what we did today, we still going to repeat next week. This is just introduction. Okay.
Okay, so I'm supposed to do, so we are supposed to do like this work as homework, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's fine.
Everything, and we are supposed to submit it when?
On next Saturday, rather.
Okay.
You can show what you've done next week.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Thank you. Bye.
All right. Okay. Bye, everyone. Take care. Yeah.
How do you make it big and old? How do I stop sharing my screen?
Don't worry. I'm going to close the meeting anyway. All right. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Cheers.